Hi, my name is Richard Walton. I'm the General Manager at Oak Mountain Express Oil Change and Tire Engineers. Good tires are important because that is the only thing between you and the road. When you have good tires, they're going to normally have really good tread. Tread is very important because that's what dissipates the water if you are in a rainstorm. Well, you definitely want to have a good quality rubber compound. When we go to Michelin or a BF Goodrich, anything that's known to have good rubber, your braking is a lot better, your cornering is a lot better, and your wet weather traction is a ton better. If you're buying tires, I would always recommend an alignment. The alignment is very important because if your tires are pointed in the wrong direction, you have caster, camber, and toe are the three axes of alignment. We have toe, which is your tires pointing towards each other or away from each other. Caster, which is where the tire fits in the wheel well in relation to the strut, which is forward or back, positive or negative. And then you have camber. Camber is how the tires actually tilt in or away from each other. I would definitely say that if you do not get an alignment, when you buy tires, your tires will not last near as long. You want to make sure you rotate those tires every 5,000 or 6,000 miles. If you think about how a car works, when you turn the tires, it's leaning in to one side, so you're going to rub the edges off of your front tires. So they're going to start showing just a little bit of wear on the outside edges. If you come up with a list of tires off of our website that you like, and you're not really sure what goes on your car, what's going to work best, give us a call. Just say, hey Richard, I've got a 2008 RX 350 and I'm looking at these two tires. Which one do I want? Come on into the store or give us a call and we can help you figure out what's best for your car.